In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a sales pipeline using the Pipedrive CRM platform. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure you have a clear understanding of the process. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Pipedrive homepage. This is your central hub for managing and organizing sales practices efficiently. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to be intuitive, setting the stage for a smooth experience ahead. Next, direct your attention to the Deals tab. You'll find this at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the core area where your sales opportunities are managed. In this section, you can view all your current deals in progress, making it a key aspect of monitoring your sales funnel effectively. It's worth noting that keeping this area organized is crucial for tracking the life cycle of each deal accurately. Now, look for the option to create a new pipeline. This should be prominently displayed, usually as a button that says New Pipeline. Clicking this will initiate the setup of a fresh sales pipeline, tailored precisely to your business needs. At this stage, think about how you want to structure your pipeline. Consider the various stages that reflect your sales process realistically. Some common examples are stages like contacted, meeting agreed, and proposal sent. These serve as milestone markers to guide your deals from initial contact to closure. Once you've created your new pipeline, you'll want to save the changes to ensure everything is retained. Look out for the Save Changes button and make sure to click on it. This step is crucial as it commits all modifications you've made, preventing any potential loss of your hard-crafted pipeline structure. As a helpful tip, defining your sales process before diving into Pipedrive can greatly enhance efficiency. Think carefully about each stage in your sales journey. Clearly outlined stages make it easier for you and your team to follow and optimize the pipeline. It's also beneficial when it comes to forecasting and performance analysis. By setting up distinct stages, you streamline the management of your sales activities, allowing for a focused and organized approach. And there you have it. By the end of this process, you will have a fully set up sales pipeline in Pipedrive, ready to track and manage deals from start to finish. Remember, the effort you put into creating a well-structured pipeline can pay off with smoother sales operations and a greater ability to meet your business objectives. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made setting up your sales pipeline in Pipedrive a straightforward and successful endeavor.